Hello everyone. In this tutorial video, I'm going to propose an exercise, a challenge. Something you can try on your own, designing this part you see here. Now, I'll show you what I came up with, and in a few days, I'll reveal exactly how I did it. This is the part. Let's take a look at it from different angles, and we'll also apply the zebra stripes. We'll add zebra stripes to check the surface continuity. Look how smooth it looks. Let's rotate it, and let's adjust the zebra pattern, changing its rotation and scale. Notice there are no visible breaks or discontinuities anywhere. To me, this looks very harmonious and well designed. So, the challenge is, can you model this exact part in FreeCAD? I really hope you give it a try. In a couple of days, I'll show you my approach, and we can compare our results. Well, if you enjoyed this, as always, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. Like the video. Share it, and hit the bell icon so YouTube notifies you whenever I upload new content. Of course, any comment or feedback is always welcome. That's it for now. Greetings, and I'll see you in the next video.